The Turtle Rescue Team is an organization run by veterinary students. The student volunteers provide medical care to injured native reptiles and amphibians. The students take the herptiles as their own patients, perform physical exams, treatments, as well as any necessary procedures. These procedures are performed by the students, and they range from shell repair to gastric tube placement to surgical procedures like amputations. Once the herptiles are rehabilitated, the team works with community members to release them back to their original pickup locations. Turtle Rescue Team is a great way for students to get hands-on experience during all 3 didactic years. For me, this happened during my second semester during first year. I admitted a turtle that had unfortunately been run over by a lawnmower. After further examination, it seemed that the turtle's leg would need to be amputated. After talking with my professor and getting radiographs, this was confirmed. We did amputate, and I got to be lead surgeon on the procedure.